Hi, it's Keith from Cloud Design Box. Welcome to the video. In this session, we're going to take a look at how we can use Search Coach, which is now available within assignments in Teams. New bit of functionality that we're really excited about. We also have an earlier video that explains how to set up the Search Coach within Teams. Please go check that out if you have time. If you like what you see today, please don't forget to hit the like button. Please subscribe, and if you hit the notification bell, you'll be told every time Cloud Design Box uploads a new video. So let's get into Teams. So here we are in a class team. So today we're going to be working in a History Year 11 class. I've already gone into assignments, and I'm now going to create a new assignment, and we're going to use the Search Coach functionality within that assignment. So I'll come to the bottom of the page. I'm going to select Create, and I'm going to create a brand new assignment. I do need to give that assignment a title. So once we've entered the title, we can now put in our instructions. Now that we've got our instructions in, we can now think about adding the Search Coach. If the Search Coach application isn't already added to the bar at the bottom here, click on the Apps function. We can then choose an application, and here we see we've got Search Coach. It gives us some information about Search Coach, a very brief video on how to use it. We're quite happy with how it's set up at the moment, so we're just going to click Save, and we'll add that to our assignment. We then click Return to Assignment, and now we can continue to then add a hand-in date. So we're going to give our students a week. We're happy with the time. It's going to be going to our History Year 11 group, so we're happy with that. It's going to go to all my students, and I'm going to award 10 points for this word. I can add a rubric at this time. I can add a tag if I wish. I'm not going to do that in this case. And across the top, it doesn't need to go into anyone's calendar. However, I want to post a notification of this directly into my Spanish Armada channel, which is just at the side here. And I'm going to leave the late turn-in notification switched to off. Now that I've got all the details in, I can now assign this to my class. And that's now been added under the forthcoming assignments heading, and the notification for that has dropped into the Spanish Armada channel. Now let's go over to the student view. So we're now over in our student view, so we're logged in as Susan here, and just drop into the Spanish Armada channel. Here's a notification, so Susan can go directly into view assignment from here, or she can just go into assignments under the forthcoming heading here. So we can drop into the research essay. That opens it up, and as you can see in the body of the assignment, here's the title. We've got the instructions. There's the points available, and as we can see under reference materials, we have the Search Coach. So all Susan needs to do now is click on Search Coach. That opens it up, and it's now there ready to use. If it's the first time a student comes to open the Search Coach, it will bring up an instructions page, and students can click on About. This will open up a brief overview of Search Coach, and also there's a how to use video available to them as well. All the student needs to do now is type in a keyword or a phrase, and beneath that we also have some settings buttons. So Susan can choose a domain where she wants to search from. So at the moment it's set to all. However, she can set it to .com sites, .orgs, and also she can choose which country to search from. So we're working in the United Kingdom today. However, in this case I want the search to be free ranging, so we're going to select all. So the next setting to choose from is a date range. By default it's set to any time. However, if a student is searching for up-to-date information, maybe doing a media course for example, they can narrow that search time down somewhat. However, with its Spanish Armada, we're just going to keep it at any time. We're going to go for the operators. So we do have some parameters we can choose from in here. However, again, I'm just going to keep this free ranging. And we do have a tab that's been set up by a teacher in earlier time, so I can just set it so I'm looking for particular sites. However, I'm just going to keep it switched off because I want my search to be free ranging again. And now that it's all been set up, all Susan needs to do then is click the search arrow and off it goes. This then brings up a list of search hits. So one of the key things to look at is the NewsGuard. The NewsGuard is the trust rating for the website, and it also assesses the credibility and transparency of the information given. So as we work our way down the page, we can use information from Britannica, or we can use information from BBC Bitesize in this case, so that's got a 95% NewsGuard on it, and we have other websites available to us as we work our way down the list. I'm just going to go towards the top here, and I'm going to choose this Bitesize option here. This then opens up the website, and Susan can then pick out the relevant information, and she can then go back into her assignment, just close down the Search Coach page, and she can then create a fresh document in which to write her essay. Once the work has been completed, all Susan then needs to do is hand in the work. Let's go back into the teacher view. So now we're back in the teacher view. I'm just going to click on assignments. We can then select the Ready to Grade tab. As you can see, here's our research essay assignment. We've got one submission ready to grade, so let's just open it up. And here's the work from Susan. I'll just click on the line there. And as you can see, the essay is all good to go, so I can read that and grade accordingly. Just over on the right hand side here, we can see the apps that have been used for this essay. So in this case, it's the Search Coach. Beneath that, I can put in my feedback, and also we'll award the points. In this case, we'll give it 10 out of 10. I can return that back to the student. That's now been returned to the student and the grades added to our grades tab there. So I'm going to close that. I can now wait for the rest of my class to hand in the work. Just go back. And that's that piece of work completed for the student. One thing also to note, because we use the Search Coach within that assignment, if we go through to the Insights area here, data also will be stored under the Search Coach panel here in Insights, and that can be accessed just by clicking on the button there. Using Search Coach in assignments is a really great way for our students to be able to ask effective questions and pull information from reliable sources in a clutter and ad-free environment. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button, please don't forget to subscribe, and please check out our other training resources. Thanks for watching.